Updating your payment information on DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Account Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, look for the option labeled Payment Methods of Payment. Tap on it to view your current payment options. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you want to update. You can add a new credit or debit card by selecting Add Payment Method or edit an existing one by tapping on it. Enter the required information and save your changes. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you are all set with your updated payment information on DoorDash. Enjoy your next order.